There we go, all together again. You can see that I got Marduk's left arm on, and everything is hooked up all nice and neat, all the cables and stuff. I hooked up the steering wheels, and you can see that I actually moved her a bit forward so I could actually get that arm on and put it at a proper connected angle, which means I connected the steering cables with these wonderful automotive connectors. Just don't touch them together. I gotta fix how derpy the left shin looks, because it's kind of, you know, hanging off a bit. And of course put on those hip plate thingamabobs right there. And the biggest nightmare of it all, figuring out how I rigged up the snowblower on the back, because you see there's a couple of the boat anchors missing, which are, you know, just a couple holes in a washer and sandwiched on there with a nut. They aren't too difficult to manufacture. It's a big pain in the ass because you gotta drill through all the metal twice. But other than that, it's just really connecting the dots, and I should be able to start driving Marduk around on all this green stuff. Seriously, I don't know what this green stuff is. Help. And I do have to put a work on the connector because it broke. This is actually for the headlights, actually up in the head on the side there, those bright ones on the bottom. And really that's just about it. Just some quality of life stuff and actually getting Marduk able to drive. And I'll be sure to do a cockpit tour either before, during, or after the full test drive around all this green stuff. So I guess that will be all for today. If you do enjoy my content, be sure to like and subscribe, and be careful of green stuff in your backyard today. Bye-bye.